All right, let's talk about how to install an XTech Technical grip extension onto a Hellcat 10-round magazine. First thing that we need to notice is that the Hellcat 10-round magazine uses the spring itself to hold the base plate. No spring button is included. So what you need to do is push the spring up off from a hook that's molded into the top of this base plate. It allows me to push that forward. You'll see it's already pushed beyond that hook and now it's free to move. I'm going to keep my thumb over it just in case the spring works its way past these inward facing tabs, which it did not. So next I grab our base plate, which is an extension, and it has this same hook design in it. So now I can use this ledge or this flat to push the spring down, and that will allow me to align it with these grooves and slide it onto these inward facing tabs off there. So I'll push down and start to slide back. So that allowed me to get it on. It's very tight, which is nice because that means it will not rattle. So now my next thing is I have to get that spring and keep that spring out of the way. So I'm going to push down on it with this small screwdriver until I can't fit the screwdriver in anymore. Once I've gotten back that far and I have to pull it out at the last second, it'll allow me to push this the rest of the way. Now you'll see that I have a ledge on the back here that tells me I've pushed it far enough. Most importantly, you can see that the spring itself is hooked in front of the molded hook, and the spring is sitting level. So if the spring is not level, if you don't have this approximately 1/8 inch ledge, then you need to try again and make sure to get that spring out of the way at the back, because that is the key to success. But we have ourselves now a magazine with a grip extension that allows me to have a place to put my pinky when I'm holding the gun, gives me better control and is much more comfortable.